Hi guys, it's playtime. Today we have Sofia the First Royal Vanity. So we have this vanity, and we have Princess Sofia, and we have extra tiara here, purple and yellow. Two necklace, pink and purple. And we have hairbrush. And we have a charm. And we have this fancy chair, a pink with a yellow detail. It's very pretty. You can spin this mirror by pressing this one. On the other side, you can see Sofia and her sister Amber. And there's a drawer here where you can fit in her accessories, like the two necklaces. But the hairbrush won't fit in here, just the necklace. And it's a charm. The tiara, yes, it can fit in here. That's it. Let's change her gown. She's always wearing purple. Now we have a new gown using Play-Doh. Let's see. It's pretty now. Hey Princess Sofia, are you ready? Necklace. There, perfect. Hey Anna, look, I have extra necklace here you can wear that matches your gown. Oh, cool. Thanks. Yeah, it looks so nice. Thank you, Sofia. I love this necklace a lot. Wow. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one.